If you made an HTML app and want it to be downloadable on Android, then go to AppsGeyser.com, link in the description, and click Create App Now. Now go to your HTML file and copy it. Then, back to the AppsGeyser.com, click Next and paste the code. Now, click Next and input your app name. Click Next again, and here you can choose your app icon. On the right, you can see a preview box, which looks like a phone. If you click it, you can preview your app. Now, if you click Next again, the Create button will appear. Click it, and it will take you to the home page. On the top, you can see your app and next to it is a Download button. Click the Download button. Then under the Send App button, find APK Android package. Click it, and wait until it builds your app. Then it will automatically download it to your device.